In this tutorial, we will show you how to change the video background in the CapCut application, all without the need for a green screen. With these simple steps, you can add exciting, new backgrounds to your video clips, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Learn how to transform your video content and create appealing effects using the CapCut app. First, what we're going to do is check if our CapCut application is updated. Open the App Store or Play Store and search for the CapCut app. After that, if it says update, click on it and wait for the app to update. If not, simply open the app on your phone. Click on New Project. The first video we need to add is our new background. The next step is to add the video on which we want to change the background, and we'll do that as follows. Click the Overlay button, then click Add Overlay, and select your video. Our next step is to select the second video, and then find the Cut Out option. When you found it, click on it, and then click the Remove Background option. Now, we have to wait a few seconds for our background to be removed. When the background is erased, we'll have a new video with a new background. We hope we've helped you in changing the video background in the CapCut app without using a green screen. Leave a like if the video has been helpful to you.